In our discussion, we have used letters such as P and Q to denote statements. So from statements P and Q, we will construct the statements. Negation, not P. So this one is not P. Not P. Not P. Conjunctions, P and Q. So this one is the conjunction. Disjunction, so this symbol is the disjunctions. And implication, the arrow right is the implication. So to read, so this one is long. Wait lang. So this one is not P. So, and this one, so it is read as P and Q. P and Q. This one is P or Q. And this one is if P then Q. Okay? So the symbols not, and, or, and if then, and if and only if are called the logical connectives. So these are the logical connectives. Henceforth, we use the P, Q, R, or S, T, U, and so on. No? So kahit anong letters. So those are called the statements variables. Compound statements may be obtained from simpler statements. So that is, new statements can be constructed from existing statements. Next, we describe the different ways of doing so. So in process, we also define various logical operators. So we have here the negation. Let P be a statement. So the negation of P, written not P, is the statement obtaining by negating this the statement P. So it follows that the truth values of P and not P are possible. No? So the symbol not is called this one, not. We read not P. This one, not P. So typically, if P is a statement, then its negation is formed by writing it is not the case that P. Okay? So for example, so we have here the proposition of P. So 2 is positive. So here is the statement, 2 is positive. So paano mo siya ininegate? Yung 2 is positive. So by using it is not the case that P. Kung ano yung value ni P, ano yung sentence ni P, substitute mo lang. So magiging it is not the case that 2 is positive. Or simply, sometimes not P is written as 2 is not positive. Just write not, in between sa sentence. So ayaw man yung ibutang kung diin anat angay man gihapon sa sentence bangin sumugad kam didi not 2 is P, not 2 is positive, or masud kam 2 is positive not, so angay man niyo kung diin ibubutang anat. By definition of the negation of statement P, the truth value of not P is opposite to the truth value of P. For example, if P is true, so this one is true. If P is true, then not P is false. So kung i-negate mo ang true, kabaliktaran sa true. So magiging false. Wala. Magiging false. If P is false, kung igninegate ta or kabaliktaran sa false, then not P is true. So we record in the table called the truth table as follows. So we have here is ratangunaan proposition. So sa proposition, so di ba kung discuss na ini dati ni paano ang pag-create sa truth table. So we have the formula 2 raised to n, where n is the number of proposition. So halimbawa ini, di ba ini na P, Q, R, S. So those are the propositions. Kung sa sayo na statement, kung sa sayo na sentence, pero doon imo makikita na propositions, no? So kung mayon value ba ang P, may value ba si Q na sentence, may value si R. So kung halimbawa kung si pila ang proposition, so one sentence lang, so yung n mo dyan is 1. So kung dalawang proposition, so n mo is 2. Kung tatlong proposition, so n mo is 3. So saan to gagamitin? So yung result, so halimbawa 2 raised to 1, kung halimbawa P lang yung yung example dito, so 2 raised to 1 is 2. Ibig sabihin, yung dalawa na yan is i-label mo sa dito, sa truth table mo as true and false. So, hahatiin mo yung 2 para sa true, magsisimula ka sa true at para sa false. Okay. So, paano naman kung 2 raised to 2? So, magiging 4. Ibig sabihin, 4 na truth value. So, paano man na pagsurat? Ibig sabihin, hatiin mo yung 4 para sa dalawang true at para sa dalawang false. Paano naman kung 2 raised to 3? So, 2 raised to 3 is 8. So, yung 8, hatiin mo sa apat na true, apat na false. Apat na true, apat na false. So, ganyan lang yung paggawa ng truth